All right, what's going on, guys? And today we're working on the Yamaha Superjet. Just going to be doing some grips today, but wanted to talk about which grips that I like. So we like the lock-on grips, and today we're going to go with the ODI Vans red lock-on grips. I think that'll look pretty cool with our color theme for the Superjet. But I also wanted to show our favorite grips for like longevity. If you're looking to get the most time out of your grips, which ones we go with. Which will eventually go on here once these crap out. But we're going to be doing that today, and eventually we're going to be doing an oil change in both of the skis. So we'll have a video on that as well. But for today, just doing grips. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, and here's the grips that we're going to be putting on the Yamaha Superjet. They are the ODI lock-on grips, and they're the Vans style. The ones that we like the most for longevity are the Rogue. These things last forever. I don't think we've replaced a single set of these, and we have them on motorcycles, the jet skis, and we'll probably put them on the quads. But these things are awesome. They're super grippy. They're a little bit more girthy too, so you got kind of more to hang on to, and they just last forever. The grip seems to be a harder compound than these Vans, so I don't really anticipate these lasting super long, but just wanted to try them out. Thought it'd be fun for next season. But eventually we always go to these because these ones last by far the longest. But wanted to get your opinions on which grips you guys like. Thought the red would be fun for the color theme for this go around. But let's go ahead and get these thrown on. All right, as you can see, my grips are pretty worn out. Get some fresh ones. Scoop. All right, we got the grips with the lock-on caps installed. Basically just push down until they snap in. And then we have the bolts here. We use blue Loctite. We like to use the glue sticks. So the Loctite 248. We'll put a little bit of the blue Loctite on there so they don't vibrate loose. And we'll get those just started, and then we'll slide it on the ski. I seem to run through grips pretty fast, but it is always kind of fun switching them up. Kind of cool little details to add to your ski. And we like the ODI because they have the 130 millimeter length, so a little bit wider than some of them. All right, now we add the bling. All right, one down. It matches really well. On camera it's kind of showing as a different color, but in person it matches really well. And I also wanted to mention too, I never really talk about it, but we do have these little foam insulation tubing that we just stuff under the hood. That way air can get under there and dry everything out. We do that after every ride. Never really talk about it, but you can see on both skis we got the foam. But yeah, let's go ahead and get the other side removed and throw the other one on. All right, she's done. Ready for the water. Now let's go do the 701 Superjet. All right, as you can see, we got the 701s inside. So they're ready for hibernation. Oh, wow. My handlebars are loose. That ain't good. All right, gotta take this off. Tighten those up. Should just be 2 bolts, and then it slides in place. All right, now that the handle pull pad's off, we can get access to these 4 bolts that hold down the handlebars. As you can see, they're loose, so we'll go ahead and pull those out. That's 12. So I'll go grab a 12 and grab some blue Loctite, and then we'll re-snug these all up. All right, we got all 4 snugged up. Play feels good. You always do want to have a little bit of play with the steering plate, but shouldn't have any play at the handlebars like we were having. So now it feels all tightened up. We can put the handle pull pad back on and get back to the grips. That'd be cool to show just how much wear I get on the grips. You can see I blew right through them, whereas other parts of the grip look perfectly normal. But yep, she's toast. Let's go get some new ones. New grips installed. I reused the bar ends that we had from Blosian. I think it looks pretty cool and definitely a lot grippier. But that's it for today's mods on the stand-up jet skis. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.